Hey guys, I'm excited to take you on a food journey around the world. I'll be randomly selecting a country and cooking a delicious meal inspired by its cuisine. Let's find our first country. Japan. I did some research on some popular Japanese dishes and decided to cook Japanese Katsu Curry. First, rinse and cook rice. Add butter, flour, whisk on medium heat for 8 minutes. Add spice mix with garam masala, stir for 1 minute, then set aside. Next, cut your onions, carrots, potatoes, and apples, and then flatten your pork cutlets, then season both sides, then dredge using flour, egg, and panko crumbs. Add oil, onions, carrots, sweat for 2 minutes, add garlic, ginger, salt, chicken stock, add potatoes, bring to a medium heat and cook for 15 minutes, then add your apples and your curry roux. You'll end up with gravy-like consistency. Fry off your pork cutlets. Once done, slice, then serve with curry and rice. Okay, let's give it a try. Yum. Combination of that curry sauce and the panko crusted pork is spot on. There's Japan done. Now I need your help. What country and what dish should I cook next?